So in this video, it's a 10k free funded account that will be showing you how you can claim. So all you have to do is just click on the dashboard right here. Then you click on get started. So as you can see, we have the 25k two-face account, but since it's the 10k account that we want to claim, so we're clicking on the 10k two-face account here. So you click on purchase now, then we'll be clicking on credit card. Credit card right there, we'll be clicking on it. So we'll be waiting for it to load. So as you can see showing on the screen, we have two ways in which we can get this. We can either pay with link or we add code. So here we'll be adding code. Make sure it's in capital letter. Yes, that's it. We'll be adding the code. As you can see, if you notice, immediately we added the code, the amount immediately came down to $0. So that means we'll be getting it for free. Then all you have to do here is just input your email address, then you click on complete order. As you can see, it's processing. Now we have to wait for our order. Just have to wait. And here we have thanks for your order. So we'll be checking our email for our login details. Thank you. So after placing the order, we have to wait for us to get information from them in our email. I had to quickly drop this because the bonus is only going to take 12 hours before it runs out. So I would like you to quickly claim this free funded account, so you don't miss out on this. Don't forget to share, like, you subscribe, and most importantly, turn on your notification button so you don't miss out on updates like this. Thank you.